Alright guys, so this is my Dodge Grand Caravan that is converted into a camper. Right now it's really sunny outside, but it's not super hot because it's -11, -12 outside. But because of the sun, I just want to show you my little setup in here. Alright, let's go in. This is one door open. So I got one reflector on this side because there's no sun on that side. And now if we go inside, you can see there's a lot of room in the back here because these seats are pushed all the way inside. So I got some van life equipment. I got some more equipment. Now what's running? Because all the sun's coming in from outside here. I've just been chilling all day. Now I got the fan on because I keep opening the doors to film this video, but like I'm really comfortable in here. But you can see that the sun is hitting because I parked in a way that this is kind of working for heat. Alright guys, so this was just a quick video to show you my setup, but I mean, like, eventually we're gonna have another heating system. I'm thinking about a heating blanket. Also, I don't know if I could get maybe a diesel heater in here. I don't know. There's a couple of things I'm thinking about, but I'm thinking about it. So stay tuned guys. Thanks for watching.